my laptop back from the service center. Hopefully the battery will last longer. But yeah, now I'm just gonna have lunch and then get back home. Okay, so I am meeting up with my friends later. For that though, I did get something in mail which I wanted to share because I had been low-key looking for a new bag. I am a small bag girly and I have had several instances now where the things that I wanted to bring won't fit, either because there's just really no space or the bag itself doesn't match what I'm wearing or the occasion. And so, especially now, my new camera, which I want to bring around, I definitely need a roomier bag. And well, the universe listened and delivered in the form of Aest Studios. They sent me their Capture Medium Sling bag, which has this structured yet somewhat slouchy design that I love in bags. It is inspired by traditional camera bags, and I love how it's designed for the modern woman's needs. So let me just move my things to this bag so I can be ready to go later. So as you can see, the bag features a dual zipper design with a magnetic closure. Inside, there's a lot of pockets for organizing your things. What I love is this additional divider in the main compartment so that you can section off your things a bit better so things don't move around so much. Pretend that this is the DJI. Can go up there. Pouch, wallet, wipes. And there you have it. Okay. Yeah, I like it. This one has a nice sheen to it. Okay, so now I want to switch the strap to the crossbody just to see how it also looks. So it does have up to 10 slots for adjusting depending on your preference and height. There you go. Hands-free when I'm traveling. So thank you so much to Aest Studios for sending this. But yeah, I can't wait to bring this around. Additional order.
Good ba yun, di ba?
So good. Also, my sister-in-law came from Bohol and I asked her to get me this. It is ube jam or ube halaya. And I don't know if this is the same maker we tried before, but oops. This is so good. It's almost like ice cream. While editing, because look at that motivation right there.